Hey guys, so for today's episode, we have a G37S.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah. Stay tuned. So we've got a Malcolm here.
Hello.
And of course, we have the G37S. And right now it has low oil pressure. And so for that reason, we believe that it's a gallery gasket. Constantly, the 3.7 liter VHRs have gallery gasket issues where they put little paper ones in from factory. And so we do have some upgraded gallery gaskets. It's all in here. We'll show you that in a moment. But first, just to double check to make sure that the head gasket is good on the engine and everything, we are going to do a compression test on the cylinders to make sure, you know, we're not just gonna be taking apart the whole front end and the front of the engine, removing the pulleys, everything for no reason. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be doing the compression test, and then this whole front end is gonna be just basically disintegrated and blown apart. Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Yep, it's all there, 3.7 liter. All right, got the cover off, and so what we're doing right now is I'm just gonna remove the intakes so that we can access these cylinders.
Let's see.
Yep, Malcolm's just unpacking the test kit we've got, and we've got everything disassembled on the top end. We've got the throttle bodies off, the coil packs out, and we are ready to start doing the compression test. All right, we just completed the compression test, and these are the numbers that we ran. We've got cylinder 1 through 6. This is the firing order and everything, and it looks like we're running about 230 across the board, really, on all the cylinders, and that means they're all even, which means our head gasket is good. So with the compression all good, we're gonna get this up in the air, and the headlights and the front bumper, that's all coming off. Bam! It's like face off. We got the bumper off, the headlights off. Got a bunch of lists of everything we've taken out so far. All that's coming out, so. Yep, so this is a good point for me to tell you guys at home, if you thought that you're doing this job in your driveway, you're not. So, this is why. We're getting there, we're almost there. Malcolm just removed the fascia, which is attached, of course, to the radiator. And now, you see why this is something that you want to hit us up. Here at Mills Garage Customs, we can do this for you. And we have access to the engine. So, yeah, more has to come off, and we'll do that. Yep. Cool. So, look at that. Got everything off the front. So the timing chain cover right there. And this is what it looks like. We got the timing chain and a whole bunch of components in here. We're gonna be upgrading the gallery gaskets and replacing things like the water pump and the thermostat. And we've got those parts over here. These are the gaskets we're gonna be putting in there. They're by EPS Tuning. And these guys make the upgraded gallery gaskets. So that's what we got right here. These are what go bad. They normally have like paper ones. This is a lot thicker, and yeah, they go bad kind of like, there's specific years. 07 to 14. So we got those. We've got more gaskets. We've got the timing chain itself, a new water pump, and we got the thermostat too. What did you find?
Gallery gasket. That's basically the problem with these, is this gasket here gets blown out and it loses oil pressure, and it's blown out here, it's blown out down here, And it's blown out right up here.
Oh wow, yeah, even up there, yeah.
And back here actually.
You can even see it is paper. Like we'll show you when we get it out and everything. There's a couple of them here. But yeah, that's what they look like when they're blown out. So that is like, that's exactly what you're gonna end up seeing if you do have them blown out. We did do all the testing and everything, so we kind of figured it was, but now, you know, that's 100%, so.
Yep.
Yeah. This is like really important stuff. If it's off by one tooth, then the whole thing sort of just self-detonates. Yeah.
It's a good time.
Yeah, so everything's got to be set up in here correctly. There's a whole bunch of markers on here. It is very technical. It's a engineering level type of thing. So it's not something you want to just mess around with on your own, but yeah, we're gonna knock this out now. Cool. That's the timing chain. And what you got there?
I have what's left of the oil gallery gasket.
Oh, snap.
It's,
what?
That's the piece we showed before that was hanging out.
Yeah.
And there's just nothing here, and it's just gone over here on the other side. It's not non-existent.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I imagine it existed before.
at one time, but they chose to use cardboard for gaskets.
Yeah, they literally, this is what they installed at the factory. It's all just peeling
paper.
apart now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's all flaking apart and everything. And they could have fixed that when they were putting the engine together, but they decided they wanted to save a couple cents.
Yeah, they could have just used metal.
Yeah. So we're gonna be switching to something a lot thicker and metal based. So yeah, and that's what we're at. Still lots more to come off. Yep. Yeah, so this is the new gasket. We're just showing you the other one. It's got some girth to it. A little thick there. Just compare. We got, yeah.
And paper compared to, I think it's a lead gasket.
Yeah, that would make sense. So yeah, this is gonna stand the test of time, and that is dead. Malcolm looking all proud. Yeah, look at that.
It's all good.
Timing chain, done. Gallery gaskets, done. Water pump, done. So thermostat goes there. Then the rest, it's all going back together. Sweet. Yep, so the car is back together, and if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. So much more coming up. So now, we're gonna go ahead and start this up. We already started it up before. We know it's gonna start up, but yeah, we could do gallery gaskets and timing chains and water pumps and everything. So hit us up. Information is down in the description below. We're gonna start this up now.
Yep.
Great work, buddy. Woo! Okay.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
You wanna be in the shot? Sure. Cool. Yep, so the car is back. Oh.
Like and subscribe, Mills Garage. What's up?
Woo!